Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how I made a shift to sprint feature for my game in Godot. So I just have a base template file here that you guys could download in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. If you go up here to project, we can go to project settings, and we need to add the shift key to our input, because right now the game doesn't see it. We're going to name this sprint, can add that, and then we go down here, and if we click on this plus icon, we can add a key here. So you can either go through these and find the key that you need to use for your sprint feature. I'm just going to go right here and click on it and click shift key on the keyboard, and it automatically pops up. So hit OK. Now whatever you name this right here is what we're going to have to reference in our script. So let's go ahead and close this, and then we'll go ahead and open up our script. So if we scroll to the top here, we can add a new variable. So I'm going to make it an export variable so we can change this later and it'll be a lot easier. So we can type in variable, and then we'll name this sprint underscore speed equals 20. So you can change this to whatever your game needs. I'm just making it a high number so that we can see it when we test it. And then we can go ahead and go down here, and where it says handle input and movement, just above that, we're going to make a variable called current speed, and it's going to equal speed. It's just setting a default value so it's not 0 as the default speed, but this one is going to be dynamic, and we'll change that right now. So right under this, for the jump feature, we're going to add in our shift to sprint. So we'll say if input dot is action pressed, and then we'll find our key that we just set up called sprint, colon, then we'll say current speed equals sprint. All right, so current speed equals our sprint speed. And then we'll go over here and we'll say else current speed equals speed. So that way, if we're pushing the sprint button, it's going to be sprint speed. If we're not, it's going to be normal speed. Now we'll just modify the script down here. So instead of speed, we want it to be current underscore speed. So you could just copy this part and you can paste it on all of these. And that should be it. So if we go over here to our 3D view, let's hit play. We'll try it out. That's normal speed. We hit shift and it goes into the fast speed. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you guys need this file, it's going to be down in the description. Thanks for watching.